Hello friends, Vinayaka Chaturthi, also called Ganesh Chaturthi, is one of the most famous Hindu festivals in India. Lord Ganesha, the removal of obstacles, is worshipped with devotion. Let us understand about this festival. About Lord Ganesha. Lord Ganesha is the son of Lord Shiva and goddess Parvati. He has an elephant head and a human body. He is also called Vigneshwara, means remover of obstacles. He is called Buddhi Pradayaka, means giver of wisdom. He is the god of beginnings. He is worshipped first in every puja. He rides on a mouse. He loves sweets, especially laddu. He is called Vinayaka and Ganapati. His big ears show listened power. His small eyes show concentration. His big stomach shows patience. His trunk shows intelligence. His broken tusk shows sacrifice. He blesses his devotees with success. He is loved by children. He is a symbol of knowledge. He is a symbol of unity. He is a symbol of good fortune. That is why people celebrate his festival with joy. About Vinayaka Chaturthi festival. Vinayaka Chaturthi is also called Ganesh Chaturthi. It all usually comes in August or September. It falls on the 4th day of Bhadrapada month. The festival marks the birth of Lord Ganesha. It is celebrated for 1 day to 11 days. People install Ganesha idols in homes. Temples and streets are decorated. Pandals are set up with big idols. Devotees perform special pujas. Vedic mantras are chanted. Devotees offer flowers and fruits. Modaks and laddus are offered to Ganesha. Children enjoy the celebrations. Bhajans and devotional songs are sang. Families gather together for worship. Friends and neighbors join the festival. It brings unity among people. It creates happiness everywhere. Devotees pray for healthy and prosperity. Everyone feels blessed during this festival. Rituals and traditions. The festival begins with Prana Pratishta, brings life into the idol. Devotees apply turmeric and kumkum to the idol. Offering like coconut, jaggery, bananas are made. Devotees light lamps and incense sticks. People recite Ganapati Atharvasvira. Children learn stories of Ganesha. Women prepare special dishes. Families perform arti every morning and evening. Devotees break coconuts before the idol. Some people observe fasting. People wear traditional clothes. Houses are cleaned and decorated. Rangoli designs are drawn. Neighbors exchange prasadam. Processions are carried out with music. Some idols are eco-friendly, made of clay. Eco-friendly idols protect the environment. The festival spreads the message of faith. It also spreads the message of devotion. Many states celebrate in their own style. In Maharashtra, the festival is very grand. In Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, people celebrate with devotion. In Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, homes are filled with pujas. North Indian also celebrates the day with prayers. The whole country shines with joy. Children participate in cultural programs. Schools conduct competitions on Ganesha. Many social activities are also done. People donate food to the needy. Thus, the festival has both spiritual and social value. Ganesh Visarjan. On the last day, Ganesh Vimarjanam is performed. The idol is taken in a procession. People sing Ganapati Pappa Moria. Devotees dance and play drums. Everyone gathers to bid farewell. The idol is immersed in water. It shows the cycle of creation and destruction. It teaches that life is temporary. It teaches us to live with faith. People promise to welcome Ganesh next year. It spreads joy and devotion. Children enjoy the Vimarjanam most. It is a colorful event. Devotees distribute prasadam after immersion. Eco-friendly Nimarjanam is encouraged. Artificial ponds are used nowadays. This protects lakes and rivers. It shows care of nature. Nimarjanam is both emotional and joyful. It marks the end of the day, end of the festival. Message of Vinayaka Chaturthi. The festival teaches unity. It teaches discipline. It teaches patience. It teaches respect for parents. It inspires devotion to God. It spreads positivity. It encourages helping others. It reminds us to protect the environment. It tells us to follow truth and knowledge. It inspires us to begin everything with Lord Ganesha's blessing. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, like it and share this video. Please subscribe this Digital Class School channel. Thank you. Thank you very much.